Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data science online step by step. First, build a strong foundation in mathematics and statistics. Then, choose a programming language like Python or R and master its basics. Focus on data structures and algorithms, which are crucial for efficient data handling. This initial phase sets you up for more advanced topics. Next, dive into the core of data science. Learn how to clean and process raw data, a critical step for any project. Explore different machine learning algorithms, understanding their strengths and weaknesses. Practice building predictive models and evaluating their performance. Don't forget to develop strong data visualization skills to effectively communicate your findings. To solidify your learning, engage in practical projects. Apply your knowledge to real-world datasets, perhaps from Kaggle or other open sources. Become proficient in SQL for managing and querying databases, a fundamental skill. Explore cloud computing platforms such as AWS or Google Cloud, as many data science tasks are performed there. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Finally, data science is an evolving field, so continuous learning is key. Stay updated with new technologies, algorithms, and research papers. Consider specializing in areas like natural language processing or computer vision if they interest you. Network with other professionals, attend webinars, and contribute to open-source projects. This ongoing engagement will accelerate your career growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.